Okay, we have a ski jumper. We have a ski jumper, and at this point, first we draw the XY coordinate. Remember, use the dashed line. So it will land in the landing zone, which is BC, and it is a straight line with a slope of 37.5 degree. So let us find the x and y equations for the path of this projectile, or sorry, this person. So in the y directions, we have minus g as a ay, and we have vy0 and y0. Y0 is equal to 0 because initially we put the origin at a. So y0 will be equal to 0. What about the vy0? This is vy, sorry, this is v. vy0 is this. Let me show that again. So if this is the direction of the velocity, this is vy0. Okay, so if this is 8 degree, therefore the magnitude of vy0 will be this times sine 8 degree. So but it is in 115 kilometer per hour. We need to divide it by 3.6 to make sure that it will be converted to meter per seconds. So therefore it will be 31.944 meter per seconds, and vy0 will be negative because it is pointing downwards. Minus 31.944 sine 8, and x component will be cos 8. The green one will be, because this is 8 degree, this angle between the green arrow and the blue one is 8 degree, therefore it will be cos 8 times 31.944, and make sure it is, this one is positive, this is negative. So instead of vy0, we need to make sure that it is negative, not like here I made a mistake, but here I corrected that it should be negative, and minus 1 over 2g t squared. So at this point, if it reaches this point, it will be 30. So if this is s and the angle is 37.5, how much will be the total y? Let me show you here. We assume that it will reach at this point. So from here to here is 30. From B to this point, if this is 37.5, and we assume that from B to this point is S, it will be S sine 37.5, because we have a right triangle. This length will be equal to S. Remember, I assume that from B to this point, the landing point is S. Let me show you again. So if this person goes like this, from B to this point, I called it S. And if this is alpha, it will be S sine alpha. And we have alpha. Alpha is 37.5. Yep. So from A to this point, we have 30 plus S sine alpha. So minus 30 minus S sine 37.5. For the X, we have the same thing, 60 plus S cos 37.5. And this is the velocity in SI unit, cos 8, as I said, the green one, times TF. So we have one unknowns here and another unknowns here. Again, two unknowns here, T and S. You can easily find the T and S. So after that, after finding S and F, use the TF and just substitute in these equations and find the X coordinates, or sorry, you can easily just substitute S here and find the X, F and YF. Okay, and then we need to find, sorry, this should be a straight. This magnitude, it will be x squared plus y squared, root square of this one actually. It will be D.